beginning, you just select the garment and expand skinning weights, lock the mesh, choose the body, do not shift click, just click the body, lock the weight source, and transfer weights, and it puts you into pose mode so you can test all your fun stuff. Just like that. Then you can create a duplicate preset from this in the mesh exporter. You only have to do this once. Create preset, and I already have one here. I'm just going to put it in test. I think you can see it here, but I don't want to overwrite that one. So I'm just going to do that, and it will pop up a notice. Right here, preset was saved onto the rig. That's great. If you moved your mouse, you probably won't see that notice, but that little busy icon will vanish. And then I can just select my garment and export. And that's done.